For this project, the kids were asked to create a website about the moon. My students are in 6th grade, so about 11 and 12 years old. The majority of our school population does not have a computer or internet access at home. We are 1-to-1 this year in 6th grade, which has been amazing. So the kids were given this sheet, both in hand and it was assigned in Google Classroom, and all of the components of this project are taken directly from the essential knowledge from the state. So we spent the first day going over this page, what everything meant, how the rubric worked, and then we spent time with the Google site. I showed them how to create it, and they created their own. Then we went over how to share it so that they could share it with me. And then lastly, we spent some time going over a few tips about Google Sites, so how to add pages, how to change the layout, how to insert pictures, very basic things. And the next several days was spent on work time, where the kids could work individually or they could collaborate with a peer. But the kids were very engaged and wanted to share and compare with each other without my direction. At 2 points, we did a peer review, and they had to look at 2 other student sites and complete this paper while they did so. The paper is exactly the same as their initial paper, except this time at the bottom it includes one thing that they really liked and one suggestion for improvement. Each student was learning about the moon while learning about how to create a website, how to research, how to format the site, insert images. And the technology was the basis for their learning because it was how they got the information and how they showed the information. Their learning was assessed in 2 ways. I also completed the rubric that was given to them at the beginning, and then they took a quiz on Horizon about the moon. If I could go back and do it again, I would include more information about how to research, how to cite their research, and also perhaps provide a few specific websites for them, at least to get them started.